Welcome to Glitter Paws. Today I'm going to be doing the $10 Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. That was a mouthful. And how this is going to work is I have a bunch of items that I picked up from the dollar store a couple weeks ago. And as you may know, there's 10 items because $10, 10 items, Dollar Tree. We're not going to count taxes because, you know, that'd be really confusing. But, yeah. So I'm just going to make a couple slimes to see. I've never tried the detergent slime to see if that works. I looked at all the detergents there, and it looked like the detergent I bought had sodium borate, which is borax. So we're gonna hope this works. Let's get started. Here's what I got. I have foam beads. I'm trying not to crinkle because my camera picks up crinkling. The purple foam beads because I didn't know the Dollar Tree sold foam beads. Like, why didn't anyone tell me this more often? I have baby lotion. It smells like babies. I have shaving foam. It's actually pretty big. Really big. For a book. glue, and more glue. There's a lot of glue. Bear with me. Then I have this purple glitter. It's actually really cool. It's almost hollow. This is actually the same glitter that I used in my St. Patrick's Day thing. Well, it's the same brand, not the same color, so go check that. It's somewhere on my channel. I believe you can find it. Okay, and then I have some glitter paint. I'm just noticing that everything I bought is kind of the same brand. Okay, so I have this glitter paint. Somewhere to put it. I have my activator. I'm gonna hope that this works. See, it says sodium borate in here. It's in a parentheses, so. And then I have this little baby model mat. That was really crinkly. Okay. So first, I think I'm gonna start off by making like a colorful fluffy slime. So I couldn't find Elmer's glue, so I'm just gonna. Oh, it's kind of liquidy. Okay. Okay, we're done with that. Carry away there. Okay, now I'm gonna add a bit of this, so it's like, the smell of this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this, so it's like stretchy and glossy. I'm gonna hope it doesn't turn pink. There we go. Okay. And we have a little rose of baby lotion. Okay. Now I'm going to mix everything in. Oh, it's no longer pink. Okay. And now we're going to. I'm going to take. I think I'm going to use this one. It's kind of purpley blue with some hollow glitter in it. So I approve. Glitter Paws approved. Okay, this is really loud and crinkly. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this in. It's actually really pretty. I thought it was gonna be much darker, but I'm kind of loving this. So it's really liquidy, so I'm gonna kind of hope that this activates. Let's see if the shaving foam can thicken it. Oh, look how tiny the spout is. It's so hard to get out. It's just like there it goes. Okay. Oh, this smells so weird. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh, these smell so weird. It's not even. Do anything. It doesn't really expand it, which is kind of weird. It's fine. Oh, it did kind of. No, it didn't. Never mind. Okay. Now I'm gonna hope that this activates, because I don't know what's gonna happen if this doesn't activate. Oh, it's green. Oh, dang it. Force into the cap.
That's why it's a challenge.
I'm just gonna have to oh, it's like Halloween green. Oh my god, it doesn't look it. Just tell me it's gonna activate. Oh, it activated. Okay.
Can you tell that fast that it's activating?
Yeah.
Really? You won that round.
Try to sabotage me, Mom. With your thoughts.
Well, we did have quite a go around at the dollar store.
I know.
With my opinion.
My mom was literally like, we're gonna find it and I'm not gonna ask an employee and we're going to do it and we're gonna find it ourselves. And if we can't find it in like 20 minutes, then we might ask an employee, and we never found it. And then we asked
Did you say find what? What were we looking
find the
for?
saline, because, well, we did find one saline, but it didn't look like it had, and it was like foot saline. I don't know, it was something. It wasn't contacts like I thought it would be. And then my mom's like, fine, let's go ask. So then we did ask, and she's like, nope, don't have any. So that's the end of that. Oh, I got it in my foot. Okay, so it's doing that thing that borax does, where it just like clumps up. So it's doing that thing where it's like, it looks like it's activating, like it's not sticking to the bowl, and then it's just like. So. Okay, the good thing is that, you know, the detergent's like clear, so it's not really affecting the color. Maybe I won't use the clear glue, then I'll probably affect the color, but, you know. See it, look, it's so good, and then it's just like. Look, it's literally activating, but then it's just like. I'm so angry at this right now, I'm gonna die. Sometimes I wish I could just like fast forward into the future and see if I'm done with this by then, but it kind of looks like a brain because it's like really stringy. Chunky. That's the word, it's chunky. It's literally in chunks. Maybe I should dump it out of the bowl. Maybe we should just like. Sick. It's not mixing in. It literally is making residue on my table. I'm gonna try to add the clay because I'm desperate. These scissors are so slimy. I don't like this at all. It's gonna ruin my color. Well, not ruin, but just like take away my. I hope this works and doesn't make it chunky, because I've never tried any of these brands. Well, I've tried Moto Magic, but I've never tried like the Jot brand or detergent or something. So okay, so it's just making chunks in my slime. I mean, it's kind of mixing in. Wait, ASMR. Okay, I'm gonna try to put a little more in here. Okay, so it completely ruined my purple color. Or not ruined, but it's no longer purple. A little mad about that. But, I mean, blue is my second favorite color, but I was kind of going for a purple color. And I didn't know I was gonna have to add the clay. It's smart. Can you hear that? I'm determined to make this good. If it kills me. Luckily they haven't made smell-o-vision yet. So you can't smell the horror and dread we're going through right now. But just in case you do happen to watch this video in like 50 years when they invented flying cars or something, let me know in the comments. I'm so determined about this. I'm just not going to give up here. This is like not the end. Stay tuned. Just like skip ahead 50 minutes so then you can see the final product. Couldn't help it. I don't know what's gonna help this. Google it and tell me in the comments what's gonna help this. I'm gonna add like the entire thing of clay. And I'm sorry that my camera picks up this loud sprinkling noises, but I can't help it. So just, and I'm kind of in an angry thing, so just bear with me. Look, it's so beautiful. Oh gosh. You only have access to the dollar store and you don't have that much money to spend. They got it all. I mean, not all, but most of it all. Yeah, so there's like lotion and glitter and clay and foam beads. I didn't think I was gonna find foam beads there. Like, just to be honest, that was literally out of my mind. And then my mom was just like, "Oh, don't look." And I'm like, "Wait, what?" And I looked down and there's like a huge bucket of foam beads. And they had, I think there was, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there was white, pink, purple, blue, yellow, green, and rainbow. You can definitely do slime at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so you might go through the stage that I did where it was really soapy and weird and gross, but it's over, as you know. It's a little wet. It leaves a bit of like wet residue on you. But look, you can actually see the glitter. I'm so surprised at that. I can't get over that. Yeah, so you can definitely do this. Do not hesitate at all because this actually worked. It's a little different than like your regular homemade slime with like Elmer's glue or something, but it's still slime, as you can tell. And I have enough ingredients to do a round 2 next week. So if you like this challenge, if you like this challenge, definitely stay till next week and when I do the part 2. That's the end of that challenge. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And also, if you comment down below, #CatKittenSquad, you might get a shout out. And a future video. What question of the day? What's my favorite type of glitter? Hollow or iridescent? Bye! Why is it chunky? Oh my god. Is there an expiration date on this? I made this in 2008. I'm not gonna think about that.
Don't talk, Chris.
Don't talk!
Don't sing that song. That's not good.
I think that's also copyrighted.